Welcome to Ask Chef Gilles, part 11. If you want to visit France, I think the most recommended cities are, of course, Paris. Paris has so many museums and so many landmarks to see. It's worth a trip by itself. But otherwise, you have, of course, the French Riviera. You have Monaco, Nice, Saint-Tropez, and also all the corner Montpellier near Spain. Very beautiful and a lot of things to do as well. And of course, you have Brittany. That's the Atlantic coast, where you have all the fresh seafood and wonderful places to visit as well. And many more places like Alsace, my home place in France. Very nice, traveling on the wine road, tasting wines. That's one of the nice places to do that. But also visiting all those beautiful villages that full of flowers and many other things to see and to taste, of course. If you go to France, you're there to taste the good food as well. And Lyon is the capital of good food. So, yes, you can start with that and then see how you go. Thank you. For Indonesian, the best place to live in France, of course, I think in Paris, because there's the biggest Indonesian community, of course, lives in Paris. But I think, you know, as Indonesian, you like the seaside as well. So south of France is a beautiful, very relaxed atmosphere. Definitely a place to live.